Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. I'm a registered dietitian in North Carolina, and Julie asked me to share with you one of my favorite recipes. It's super simple. It's called chia seed pudding. But also check out cancerdietitian.com to find out more recipes that are super easy and fun, and check it out today. So today we're making chia seed pudding. And I love chia seeds. They're kind of easy and fun to add to things, but one of the fun things to make with them are chia seed pudding. And so what it does is the chia seeds, they absorb the liquid that they're in, and they'll plump up. They're kind of like tapioca, but they're super healthy. So chia seeds have really great fiber and really healthy fats. And so if you look at the nutrition content, basically that's what you're gonna see is fiber and fat, and a little bit of protein and a little bit of carbohydrate, but essentially they're really good for us and they're fun to make. And I think most people are kind of scared of them because they don't know what to do with them, but let me show you right now. So this is a very simplified recipe. I'm going to show you just the basics, and then you can always make it more interesting by adding fun stuff. So you're going to need some chia seeds. So grab a bag. They're going to be near, like this, sometimes they're in the cereal section near the flaxseed and oats. Sometimes they're in like the health food section. Kind of depends on the store you're going to. You can use any sort of liquid you want. I like soy milk, but you can use cow's milk, you can use almond milk, whatever you want there. I use a little bit of sea salt, and that helps the sweetness, which is our maple syrup, the sweetness come out a little bit more. That way you don't actually have to use that much sweetener. And then a little bit of vanilla, and that's it. So let's get started. So first, take your chia seeds in a nice big bowl. And it's a 3-to-1 ratio. So we're gonna do 1/2 cup of the chia seeds with 1.5 cups of the soy milk. I'm gonna measure it and put it in the bowl. And then grab our soy milk. Do 1.5 cups there. Okay, then I'm not measuring here. I'm just gonna dash a couple dashes of that. And then for vanilla, it's about a teaspoon. And then this is however much you want per how much sweetness you want. So generally I do about 1, 2, 3. Grab a spatula. It's gonna kind of clump up. I don't know if you can see it here, but just try to make sure that, just unclump it a little bit and scoop off. So as soon as you get all the clumps out and everything down from the sides, what I would do, I'm supposed to be ready. I'm gonna put the top on it and put this in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours. And so after about 1 hour, I want you to go in, take it from the fridge and stir it up. Because you'll notice that the chia seeds will kind of go down to the bottom, and then they kind of clump together, which is totally fine, but just stir them on up and then put it back in the fridge for a couple more hours. I'll show you what this looks like at the end, because I did this yesterday. So I like to put them in these little cute ramekins, and this is what it looks like. And so if you portion it out and just put a whole bunch of these in the fridge, you've got them. It's an easy, nice, cold treat that you can give to your kids or eat yourself. One of the favorite things that my kids like to put in is cocoa powder. So we just add a little bit of cocoa powder, maybe like a tablespoon, and just stir it in there. Some others like to add, we've added jam before. You could do cinnamon, you can make it, use almond extract instead of vanilla. So there's a lot of different things you can do there to kind of make it interesting. And so, but essentially it's really simple. After a couple hours, it's all ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed that. Go out and make some today, and check out cancerdietitian.com and check out more of Julie's blog posts as well as some of her recipes. All right, bye-bye.